Hello guys, welcome to Mathematical Side Trips. In this video, we will take a look at a derivation of Hero's formula from the area of the a sub t of a triangle. For those who are not familiar with the Hero's formula, it is a sub t is equal to the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where s is equal to 1/2 of a plus b plus c, where a, b, and c are the lengths of the sides of the triangle. By the way, I am Napoleon A. Gaking Jr., a math teacher. So we will derive Hero's formula from the formula, very familiar formula, 1/2 base times height. So let A, B, and C be the length of the sides of triangle ABC. And then from B, we drop a line perpendicular to AC and call this point of intersection M, and denote the distance AM by X and the distance MC by B minus X. And so, using the Pythagorean theorem, on the left side we have 8 squared is equal to c squared minus x squared, while on the right side we have a squared minus the square of b minus x. And solving for 2bx, we have 2bx is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared, which in turn gives x equals b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2b. And therefore, 8 squared is equal to c squared minus x squared. So substitute this expression for x here. And so we have this expression at the bottom. We have 4b squared times c squared minus the quantity squared of b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 4b squared. And then we have these computations. I hope you can follow. I will not go into the details of these computations. You can follow it with a pencil and a piece of paper on hand. And then these computations okay, so if a sub t is the area of triangle ABC, then a sub t is equal to 1/2 base times height, or 1/2 bh. So b over 2, or 1/2 b, is b over 2, and then h is this expression here, which we have obtained earlier. And if you put the b cancels here, and if you put 2 and 2 also inside the parentheses, put them inside the square root sign, then we have this number 16 inside the square root sign. So we have the square root of b plus c plus a times b plus c minus a times a plus b minus c times a minus b plus c over 16. Now, if we let s equals a plus b plus c over 2 and s minus a, then s minus a becomes b plus c minus a over 2. S minus b is equal to a plus c minus b over 2, and s minus c is equal to a plus b minus c over 2. Consequently, a sub t, which is the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b, times S minus A, which is Hero's formula. That is all for now. We hope that watching this video was worth your while and that you have found something new, interesting, or useful. God bless.